Unit 3, Using Audio-Visual Equipment. At the conclusion of this unit, you will be able to prepare the classroom for the use of computer and audio-visual equipment, properly set up and operate computer and audio-visual equipment, state the important safeguards for operating computer and audio-visual equipment. Using audio-visual equipment. Did you know that visual aids can improve learning by up to 400%? Did you also know that the brain can process images 60,000 times faster than written text? And that the average person only remembers about 1/5 of what they hear. These findings indicate that learning is definitely more effective when visual aids are used. Take a moment and think about what visual aids can be used in the classroom to enhance learning. Classroom preparation. You should arrive early. You'll need plenty of time to set up the classroom. Approximately 1 hour should be allowed to properly set up your classroom. Locate all electrical switches and outlets. Do you have enough extension cords of suitable length to run from the outlets to your audiovisual equipment? Make sure the projection screen is visible to all students. And be able to control room lighting as needed. Your audiovisual equipment. The equipment supplied by the Pennsylvania Game Commission should include a video projector and speaker, a laptop computer, a DVD player, of which there are several models in use, a projection screen, and as a backup, an overhead projector with transparency sets. All requests for equipment need to go through your WCO or coordinator. Equipment setup and operation. Before using any equipment, you should read the operating manuals provided with the equipment. If one is not with the equipment, copies can be found in the Resources section of the Hunter Education Resource site. Understand equipment safeguards and use them. Practice setting up and using your equipment before class. Many of the curriculums are very dependent upon projection equipment working properly. Failure to check the operation status of your equipment in advance or lack of understanding on how to operate the equipment will compromise much of the student's training. Remember to plan ahead. Important audiovisual safeguards. Read and understand the manufacturer's instructions before using any audiovisual equipment. Transport and store equipment carefully using the provided cases. Do not turn off the power to video projectors until cooling fans stop running. Dependent on the model, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to up to a minute. Additionally, keep electrical cords away from walkways or tape them down to prevent tripping. Report faulty equipment to the WCO as soon as possible. Return faulty equipment to the Pennsylvania Game Commission. Do not attempt to repair yourself.